got this package from christianbook.com. We're starting our spiritual journey.
Together as a family.
This one is for my mom. It's purple because she likes purple. And I got the large print. It's really large because her eyesight isn't that good anymore. So I got the large print. It's pretty thick though. Then I got this one for me. This one's cute. It's a journal Bible. So basically it has the text and then lines on the side so you can journal or doodle, which I like. Oh, and I'll pop up the prices on the screen. They were doing an extra 50% off their Bibles. That's why I ordered some. His is this print, red with gray. Journal book too. I got this book. It says communication. We're gonna learn more about that. Communication. Then along with the Bibles from Walmart, I got these tabs. So the rose gold one is for me. His is the gold one. And my mom's is the purple one. Then I also got the Bible marking kit. It has 4 highlighters with tips on the bottom and then a marker and a ruler. Also got this book, 52 Uncommon Dates by Dr. Gary Chapman. Then I also got this one, A Couple's Devotional by Michelle Peterson. And I'm sick, we're both sick, so don't mind how I sound or how I look. I'm gonna take Hugh's first. I'm gonna start with these tabs, the Bible indexing tabs. So once you open it, it comes like this.
Cool. They look like this.
So it is telling me to cut this apart off to separate it. So then I'm just going to adjust it. Make sure that when you fold over these tabs, there's only one sheet of paper, because I made the mistake of doing it with 2, and it's really easy to miss that. So just double check and make sure it's only one piece of paper after you fold the sticky one. So basically you do this over and over again. Very tedious. See, it can stick to more than one, so make sure just gently separate it.
They give you this ruler. You can cut it up to how big your Bible is. So I've done my mom's, Hugh's now doing mine. This is the last one. You start right there with the black line. Every time you get to the next book or chapter, you get one of these tabs. It's like clear, and then the tab right there, and you just stick it together, and it forms this.